Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's feature of the week. Today, we're going to be looking at Naviate Architecture's Door UID feature. Now, this feature is going to allow you to customize exactly how you want to number your doors. Now, door numbers for architects are a really frustrating and time-consuming process where you have to number each door based off of some different values depending on the project or the company, typically having to include your room number and some kind of other parameters or values. Now we can see in this project that my doors aren't numbered based off of really anything. They're just random values that have been given. So I'm going to use my Door UID feature to renumber every single door in my entire project. The Door UID feature allows me to create a custom concatenation of different parameters. On the left-hand side here, we can see all of the different parameters that we can choose from some basic parameters up at the top. And then at the bottom, we can see that we can choose from either door or room parameters, either instance or type parameters within your project. Now, let's start with something really simple here. I'm just going to do my room number and then a sequential number. I can use the arrows to move parameters over and then reorganize them with these arrows down here. I can add any prefix or suffix, so maybe I can add some kind of divider and then specify which numbering sequence, whether that be numeric or alphanumeric to choose from. I want to use an alphanumeric value. Then I can simply hit update and it's going to update every single door in my entire project. It's going to pull up my manage UIDs feature, which is a different command within the toolbar, so that I can see all of my doors and some parameters associated with them and some of their values. I'm going to click OK, and then it's going to number every single door in my entire project. So we can see that here that it's numbered every single door in the project. What's really nice is then as, things change, you make design changes. So let's say I'm going to add some doors here to my project, which might not be numbered correctly. Maybe I'm going to change my room number here, which is going to mean that these doors no longer align, or even make some other modifications, like changing which room this is numbered by reversing the association. So once I go ahead and make those changes, I don't just have to update it by running this command again. I can actually use another feature in Naviate Accelerate called my update project. This is going to allow me to specify how often this value gets updated. With my update project, I can specify different functions to automatically update every time somebody saves, prints, exports, syncs, or when I hit this manual button up here. And it'll let me know the last time that an update was done. So I'm going to set it up that every time I save the project, every time I sync the project, and every time I hit manual, we're going to update our door UIDs. I can modify those IDs with my configure, which is going to pull up the command like so, where I can make any modifications, and then simply hit OK. Now that that is set up, I can simply hit the update now, the save, or the sync button, and it will update all of my door UIDs. This is a game changer, as now I can set this up for my team. And even if I have multiple team members working in the project, when they make those design changes, you don't even have to think about it. Every time they sync the model, all of this data will be updated and be correct. So you can see that this now matches the changed room number. This door that was added was modified to the correct number. And this door that we reversed the room association was now numbered by the correct room. And there you have it. That's the Naviate Door UID feature to make it easier to number every single door in your entire project.